Welcome to Villa One. I just wanted to make you this quick welcome video so that you're a little bit more familiar with the house upon arrival. When you come up to the front door, there's going to be a lock pad here, which you can use for a keyless entry. I'll send you the door code the same day of check-in or the day before. To do the door code, all you need to do is push the number code and unlock. And when you're going to leave to lock the house, all you need to do is shut the door and then push the lock button. Once you're inside the home, you'll see that there's an entryway with several lights and information. There's also a welcome packet on our front entryway. When you come into the house, just a few housekeeping things. There is a central AC unit in each living room, and this guy controls this living room kitchen area as well as the air conditioning for this bedroom. So just please make sure before you turn it on that you have all the doors closed, both here and here, otherwise all of the cold air is going to escape. When you come over here to the air conditioning panel, all you need to do is ignore the fan button. It's always going to remain on auto, and all you need to do is either have it in the off position when you're leaving for the day to go to your tours, or pop it into cool, and when it's in cool, it's automatically preset to drop. And so when you're ready to leave for the day, you just switch it back to off and she'll turn off automatically. A few housekeeping things for the kitchen. We have an emergency light here in case we do have a power outage. This light you can unplug and use to carry around the house should you need to. There is a emergency light downstairs and also on the upstairs foyer on the second story. For the kitchen, each home has a wonderful filtration system that provides safe water for refillable bottles. All you need to do is set your bottle right under here, and it has either cold or hot or neutral temperatured water for you. In regard to kitchen trash, you'll see we have several receptacles here, a compost on the counter, and then a recycle in the laundry room. So here in Costa Rica, we recycle cans, aluminum cans, glass bottles, and plastic water bottles. So please put all those there and we'll recycle for you. All organic things, please place in the compost. And when the compost is full, you can set it right outside these doors and our cleaning team will come get it in the morning and take it out to our compost and then put it here clean for you again. All other trash that's either non-organic or non-recyclable, you can place into these two bins. And as soon as they're full, you can take them to the outside by the garage, and there is either a trash receptacle or you can set them out next to the garage, and our cleaning team will come and take them and put them in the trash for you. Additionally, a few housekeeping things in the laundry area. There are some emergency water bottles in case of a power outage. This water is coming from our well, which technically could be drinking, but it's recommended to use the water in the filter, which I showed before. This is more for emergencies. In case there's power outage, you will also lose water because we're on an electric well. So this is for emergency flushing of toilets, or if you need to rinse something in the sink, just to have here, but is not generally for consumption. This is our towel area. Each house is equipped with some Turkish towels for you guys to use at the beach. They're nice and lightweight and thin and perfect for laying on the beach and then shaking off afterwards. As soon as you are done using them and they're wet, please just place them on the lawn chairs and they'll be dry within 30 minutes. As mentioned, for AC, downstairs is controlled by the one in the living room. The upstairs air conditioning is controlled in all three houses by a thermostat located in the master suite. When you come into the master suite, it's going to be located in all the homes on the right-hand side on your way towards the bathroom. Here's the one in this case. This is one of our newer panels, which is a digital panel versus the manual panel, which you saw in the video prior, like the one downstairs. In this case, there's just three options. You're gonna ignore all of the lower buttons. It's already preset to drop to 21. And right now here it's listed, the ambient temperature currently in the room with the unit off is 28. So all you're gonna do is, right now it's in the off position. When you push it once, you'll see that. Then you push it again, and it's going to go into the cooling cycle, and you'll see cool on flashes right there. Now the fan has clicked on and you can hear it working. And then in order to turn it off, all you do is just click it again and the system will shut down, and then it'll go into, the screen will eventually not be green anymore and it'll turn the system off. Make sure that when you guys are using the AC that you always keep all the windows closed, and we recommend about a half hour before going to bed that you shut also all of the bedroom doors in all three rooms so that the AC will stay in the bedrooms, as we don't have vents in this space and the cold air will try to go up to the third story terrace. So we recommend closing all three doors before you turn the unit on so that it can get cold quickly. We have a wireless router for the Wi-Fi downstairs and upstairs. I will send you the code for the Wi-Fi the day before check-in, and you should be able to use that during your stay, and it's the same password for downstairs as upstairs. And lastly, I like to tell people it's kind of like city living in the country. You want to make sure that you're conscious when you guys leave the house for the day for tours that you lock this door, all the windows of course on the ground floor, the laundry room door, as well as the living room door and window, and of course the front door as you leave. Even though there might not be anybody on our private road, we always recommend for the safety of your items and things at the house when you're gone to make sure that you lock the home when no one is going to be here. And in order to do that, like I'd mentioned before, just close the door and push the lock button and it will automatically lock for you. Thank you so much, and we hope you have a great stay.